Fuck that shit. Apana shall push out now. Male based.
Eka.
To be honest,
Yes, fine. Everyone here. How many of your mothers have male best friends?
That's
God.
weird.
Mom
That's
has a
weird
male
to
best
that
friend.
age.
My mom has. My dad and my mom's best
Mom
friend.
has a male best friend.
Never.
Give me
Gosh, guys.
best. What do you mean by best friend?
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah.
Hes A.
I go back.
Yikes.
Do you get that?
Whoa.
Damn.
Do you get that? I want you ladies to justify leaving the house wearing that.
Well, I'm
Please,
done.
for me,
You
justify
must not
that.
justify leaving house wearing anything.
But guys, that is
Would
too
you
much.
leave the
Guys.
house like that?
Ikoko ndokunonzi kuita bonzo. Aiwa.
Could you
Yes, there are places to wear things like that.
And it
Which
also
is not
depends
just the
on kind of
bedroom. Which is just not the
relationship.
bedroom. We have to establish that.
And also the thing is, when you go into the relationship, unengosingazive kuti ndozvanoita most of the time. But
Iwe
like,
unenge uchiona.
kune vamwe
Honestly, you don't know that this girl is the girl who could wear them.
the thing is, it's easier if you know what you're getting into. Like offset anenge anyatsoziva kuti bhebhe rangu ringaishipa takanana basa neni. It's easier when you know what you're getting into,
okay,
not when she starts switching up when you're in the relationship.
you've got a point there.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Alright, guys. I think we should move on to our last topic and wrap it up. I think.
Aiwa, no.
That was
not
a
last
lot.
time.
That's not our last one.
Guys, do you know how many minutes we've been on this item? Guys,
This is
I think this
That
one
was
can
a lot.
let's finish them one time. Let's finish them, case. Let's finish them.
okay. How do you keep your man happy for the ladies?
What are we talking about?
We're talking about
Exactly. What kind of happiness are we talking about?
Yeah, like
anything and
emotionally
everything.
happy.
started drinking his juice.
Happy. What kind
What?
of happy are we talking about?
I'm sorry. Did I drinking what?
His juice.
His juice. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh man.
Oh, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. I mean, isn't it funny? Ain't it funny that we start talking about this and then Walter starts drinking his juice? But anyway, never mind. It's okay. You all got the wrong idea.
Where it had gone.
I had gone.
Oh my days.
You can't be disclosing these secrets. Next thing, these other people will be using what they use. It's just not right.
On your man, on your man.
I mean, but there's some girls out there that need your help though, so
Exactly.
you have to share.
No, share it. Then they'll take our skills. Then they'll take you. That's the problem. So keep it.
I think
Why
y'all
would they
should just
take
narrow
us
down
when-
these questions. I think you
Let's
guys
just
should
be
just narrow
insecure.
down these questions. I think you guys should just narrow down these questions.
it's very
This is just a
specific.
very broad question. No, it's not very specific.
very
How do you make
broad.
someone happy?
Okay.
It's
How am I supposed to answer those questions? I don't know.
Hey, shout out to the mandems I'll be watching this. Hey, shoot your shots, innit? Oh,
But guys,
what
come on. It's just like how guys, how we answered this question. Guys said money.
And it was an instant response.
Guys said money.
We direct with us.
Loyalty, compassion.
Exactly.
Ruby, do you want a
Respect,
broke dude?
all that.
If it's work, is we'll come up together.
Why are you single, by the way?
Oh my. Oh.
We want to know.
We shan't discuss it, but it's okay. We move. Let's move.
No females like have a specific answer or at least a answer to this.
Huh?
You know, I actually
No, I
find
just
this a little bit concerning because
Then
Hey,
you say,
too,
okay,
you
fine,
seem like you have
maybe.
something you want to say. Yeah?
Maybe a way to keep your man happy is to give him like a lot of freedom to do what he wants to do. Because a lot of women, we be on your back a lot, saying no, I don't like this, I don't like that, don't do this, don't do that. So maybe to give you an ounce of freedom, y'all be slightly happy. emotionally.
you know.
Now, physically, now let me not speak about physically. That's inappropriate. But every other way,
Should
yeah,
just allow us
I
to
don't
play
know.
FIFA
Yeah,
and
in
Call of
short, just
Duty
be
without
his
going.
peace.
Like, just be
If he's
don't bring
help him, if he's sexually deprived, deal with that. If he's spiritually in a tough place, just be his peace. Like, be his
yeah, that's
peace.
what I'm trying to use something that
Help him be the best guy he could be. Like, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. Yes.
But the rest have to answer though, because we got like two people's perspectives.
Yes.
We all believe in the same.
yeah, it's
Not necessarily.
I'll take this one.
I
Thank
think the
you.
guys should answer how they want to be made happy.
yeah, do you want to
I'll start. I'll
Let's hear
start.
that. Let's hear.
Personally, as my girlfriend, yeah,
Here's what
you
how did
need
we
to be
get
there. You need to be there for your guy. You need to
Nah,
make.
Jogos is complicated.
What is that?
Continue.
Wow.
You need to make time for your mans. You need to just make yourself available, physically, emotionally, everything. Don't keep secrets from other and things like that. I think the other owns will say their pieces.
Yeah.
I think to keep your man happy, you should do like the simple things. Like, I don't know. How can I say?
Buy you flowers, buy you chocolates,
I don't even
No.
want that.
head.
treat you too.
Ooh, I like the last bit.
What?
To be honest, personally, me, I just want someone who's all about me. You get what I mean? All about
Someone who
me.
praises you.
What do you mean, like
Not-
loyal?
Not necessarily like, yeah, loyal, even clingy, yeah. Down as a clean. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not picky. Just allow me to play FIFA and Call of Duty with my boys and anything to the ball.
I'm very.
Yeah. Wait,
See, guys, that's new. Never mind.
what did the lady say though?
I feel like y'all aren't exhausting this thing.
We're not.
We say be his
We
peace.
see.
Okay. Well, what I meant by like the small things, it's like, you know how it's like guys always are supposed to like treat the lady and
I expected to.
yeah, and expected to treat the lady, surprise her and stuff like that, right? The small things, just for a girl to like, hey, surprise, I did this for you, blah 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 blah.
Let me expand that a little.
Yeah.
Basically, what Brandon's trying to say in a nutshell, guys want to feel appreciated too.
In what ways would you like us
Yes,
to?
sir.
The small things, the like,
Pardon?
let me take you out for lunch, let me take you out for dinner.
Tell me I'm
Okay, so the
beautiful.
way you treat us,
I mean, that is showing appreciation, though.
Nice,
And even
nice.
like what Kay said, like take me out sometimes.
When I
buy
asked
me
if I look
gifts. You know?
fat, lie.
Okay, so there's a fine line between.
let me just put it in there, right? Like as a dude, right? You get so caught up into trying to like make yourself available and try to actually literally put your woman first. At times, you actually neglect yourself to the point where you might have doubts that seep in and all that. So once in a while, right? It's good to just check in on him and just say, "Oh, dude, are you okay? Do you want to do this or do you want to do that?" Just try to communicate and actually understand where his level, like his head is at. So once you get to a situation like that, right, you kind of get a disconnect. You kind of feel like, okay, yeah, I'm doing all of this and she matters more. And then you neglect yourself. It's nice when she thinks of you sometimes. Just little things. Check up on me.
Give
That's
me
all I
some
ask.
me time.
Okay, I like that.
You should
We love it.
Pretty
rap
dope.
out
That's pretty dope.
me.
Drop some. So
Could I
it,
ask a question? Just
yeah.
like throw it in there. Um, what would guys want as an answer from? Okay, no. How would guys feel if their partner told them that, "Ugh, you're too skinny, gain a little weight, or you're too fat, go to the gym."
To be honest,
Like, how
guys,
would that make it? I mean, it's an
think a
honest
lot of.
opinion considering that it's coming from someone you're with,
To be
and
honest,
as much as it hurts, it's the truth, I guess.
for guys, a lot of banter and all that is done towards their weight from their boys. So they won't take it the wrong way in most cases.
But
But
it
you
depends
will
on the
still
But
guy.
hurt.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it
Uh-huh.
also depends on the guy.
Because
And it also depends on.
there's some guys that are too sensitive. Then there's some guys that are just used to it. Some guys will take it as
Yeah, true.
motivation to actually improve themselves.
Hmm.
Then that
Some
actually shows how much they respect the relationship and the girl. If they actually motivate, or if they actually just leave it alone and just be like, ah, this right is Indo
some
pizza.
guys will
Is
just
that how it's supposed to be, or is that how it really is? Like, are you guys really open to such criticism? Like,
Mm-hmm.
because I think if you're
yeah.
telling us how it's supposed to be, how a guy's supposed to take it, I don't think you're actually telling us how it really is. Like, if I go and tell my guy, like, you know what, babe, I think you're too skinny, will he take it well? Like,
To be
I mean,
honest,
to be honest with
There's
you, like
two ways
most
that you can
homies
take
haven't
it.
really gotten that attention or that kind of what's the word I'm looking for? I guess affection or whatever from a girl. So like for me personally, I wouldn't know how to react to that. I'll probably take it as motivation and then like put in work to make myself look better or do something better.
Then there's sweet nothings.
I think
Those
I
sweet
think
nothings. I'm like, no, you're perfect just the way you are. What? So believe in someone. Some people
I
actually
think it's
don't.
about the delivery also.
Some people
to a
actually don't
Like
certain
the
tell the
way you
extent,
truth.
tell them.
to a certain extent, you
Yeah,
actually
true.
just telling me something I already know. Like guys, to a certain extent, also care about image as much as girls do. So if
Exactly.
you tell me I'm skinny, I already know I'm skinny. I've been trying to gain weight and it's not working. My metabolism doesn't work. I already know something like that. So we
At
do
the end
care
of the
about
day, we're
it.
all only human. So everyone takes criticism in a different way. So you have to worry about how you're gonna tell somebody about a physical feature or like something being wrong about them. So yeah, who
Okay,
knows?
all right. But since the
I
guys,
think when it comes to criticizing physical features, right, what happens is if it's something they can change and if it's something
yeah,
that is
true.
comfortable to talk about, that's where you can start and engage a conversation because you cannot go in about something that you cannot really
Exactly.
necessarily change
In
easily
a
because that's where
relationship,
you start stepping on toes.
So true.
yeah, or if you know that it's an insecurity, you can't be poking around insecurities like that. In a relationship, it doesn't work.
um, so what Ryan said has a point. There's a point, and there's a question. Someone asked us to ask this question, but I don't know if it's appropriate or if I should ask it. But
Ask.
the question was for the ladies, does size actually matter?
Mm, to a certain extent. It shouldn't be too big, it shouldn't be too
Too
small,
small.
but skill matters.
Yeah, I think it's like what the motion in the ocean, something like that. I don't know what it's called. I
Motion
don't
in the
think people really
ocean.
care. I
Okay.
don't know what it is. Like I don't care if it's like it's all about how you can handle what you have. I guess no one really cares. Well, I don't.
Okay,
Different preferences.
okay, but would you actually tell a guy that nah, it's too small?
No, you don't do that. You just don't come back.
Hell no, Bro. Hey,
Well,
Ozo, are
damn.
you hearing this, Ozo?
Anzi,
What are your thoughts, bro?
wait, what was the statement that was just said? I'm touched right now. On kids.
Um, she was like, I'm sorry, Rumbi, what did you say?
I said, you don't tell a guy that it's too small. You just don't come back. Like,
Yeah, true. I think that's way better because then you don't hurt his ego. Because if a year was to tune you straight up with a plus unikadora, how would you feel? Like that would throw you. No, like literally, that would throw you. If she doesn't come back, you can say with her, maybe she's got another guy, maybe she's a hoe, maybe what you come up with your own conclusions. But once I'm
Yeah, because you shouldn't kill his ego because there's someone for everyone. Guys. There's someone who wants his kadora.
Like, if someone wants that motion, someone wants that skill. But wait, Ruby, wait. What if it's small but he's got good skill?
Kind of small, and then there's too small. The moment you put the word too, it means ranyanya. Kuti Inyango skill is not covering for this. Like, this is way beyond help. Like, whatever skill you're going to put. Zaramba.
Holy.
Okay.
I think case this goes into our next topic. The 2-minute noodles.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
2-minute noodles.
If you don't get there, how can you not get there, bro?
Because I don't know what 2 minutes.
Wow.
Any thoughts to that, guys? 2-minute noodles.
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
Wait, what do you mean?
The fact that
2-minute noodles too? No, 2-minute noodles.
show,
The first time, like round yekutanga, kind of 2-minute noodles all over. Like akatoita 2 minutes at on it.
He's
Your
a
nigga
2-minute noodle person.
He's a what?
He's a
He's a
minute man.
what?
Minute man.
A minute man.
Where do you come up with these statements, bro?
In the first place.
Nigga is a minute
Yeah,
man.
That one is known, though. That one is well known. I know.
I don't know it,
Minute
bro.
man.
How
I don't know
do you
2-minute
handle
noodles,
that in
bro.
a relationship? You love this guy with your whole heart and everything. He's perfect for you, but then he's a minute man. How do you deal with that?
I think you have
Make
to
a bit fitness
compensate in
endurance.
other areas, like not just that, because some people are generally just like that.
What?
On a medical perspective, some people are just like that.
But you can get
And
treated.
I think you just have to compensate because, yeah.
No
There are people who are just like that.
Okay, I have two
In the
opinions.
process yekutreatwa saka unenge uchiitwa staffed ipapo kuzowana azotreatwa unenge uchistaffed there, like, it's not just the dong that makes me come. There's the tongue, like the fingers, there's so many things. He has to just up his game.
Okay.
Hey,
I've got like two opinions on this one. I've got two opinions on this one. Firstly, how do you end up in a relationship with someone who will not satisfy you, right?
So wait. So you have sex before you get into a relationship?
Huh?
Wait, what?
how would you know?
How would you know? Like,
You have sex before you
Okay,
get
I
What's the situation?
You're for it. If you're with your girl, right? Then she's like, let's have a threesome, right? And then she brings a nigga home.
I'm a very open-minded guy. So,
Yeah, yeah, ayy, yeah, yeah, ayy, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.